Ang challenge natin ngayon ay all answers starts with letter I, okay? Oh, makinig, madali lang to. Swerte ni Nala, nasa unahan. A frozen dessert made from a mixture of dairy products like milk and cream. Ice cream. Tama. 200 pesos.
Yes.
200, okay. Next. Ito. It is the 7th largest country by area, the most populous country since 2023. And since its independence in 1947, the world's most populous democracy. 5, 4, 3. Mag-guess kayo. Mali. Iceland. Mali. 5, 4, 3. India. Oy, naka-India. 200. Oy, naka-chamboy. Galing nga. Next. Swerte ni Kelly. Madali ito. Alam ng lahat to. A praise that express deep affection, commitment, or appreciation for another person. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love you. 200. Makinig. A visual representation of something, which can be a picture, drawing, or sculpture. 5, 4. Mali. Next. May clue na doon, may clue. Image. Oh, galing ni Divina. Image. Hey! Ash. Uy, kaya na Ash to. A piece of land completely surrounded by water that is smaller than a continent. 5, 4. May clue na doon. 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam, pass. 5. Hindi alam. Iceland. Island. 200, tama. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2. Intindihin nyo lang yung question. 1, 0. Mali. Next. Engineer. Letter I, hindi letter E. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam. Ulitin ko. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5. May clue na doon. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali na agad. Mali. 5, 4, 3. Ulitin. Last na, pakinggan. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali na. Next. Heart, go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mali. Jel, go. 5, 4, 3. Hindi alam, ikaw. 5. Ulitin ko ha. An individual article or unit, especially one that is part of list, collection, or set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, hindi alam. Ikaw. I don't know daw. Hindi alam. Ewan. Pass. Next. Go. 5.
Item.
Item, tama. Item, 200. Okay.
Tama ka eh. Ayaw maniwala sa
Next. Oh, Bogs, madali lang to. Swerte. An Abrahamic monotheistic religion centered on submission to the will of God, who is called Allah in Arabic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Madali lang yan.
pastor yan.
Mali. Hindi alam. Islam. 200. Next. A great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Next. Letter I, huy. Diyan, letter I. Letter I.
Ay naman yun
In solution. Go. Sige, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. A great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4. Mali.
Independence.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. May ikaw. Ikaw ano? Kelly.
Napapaisip ko
Anong daw?
Pila kayo para marinig nyo. A great significance of value. Great significance or value likely to have profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5, 4, 3, 2, walis na. Ikaw, April. 5. May ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ikaw. Mali. Next.
Try mo lang.
Injection. Tinuruan ng kapatid.
At least may sagot, di ba?
Divina. Pass. Ulitin ko lang pakinggan. Last na to. Great significance or value likely to have a profound effect on success, survival, or well-being. 5.
Intelligence.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 5. Now, ang tama sagot ay kasi kayo'y mahalaga sa akin kasi kayo ay important. Okay. Next. The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. Instinct. Madali na yun. 5.
Invitation.
Makinig. The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi alam. Ikaw sagot.
Identity. No.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
ICT.
Communicate.
Ano? Letter I, hindi letter C. Wala, mali na. Tulog pa si Ira. Go.
Interpersonal communication pala yun. Hindi ako nag-iisa, mga men. May kasama ako.
Makinig. Last na ulit na to The action or process of identifying someone or something or the fact of being identified. 5, 4. Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ikaw. Walis na agad. 5, 4.
Identification.
Tama, identification. 200. Next. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Inisip na naman ako ah.
Next.
Iba na naman yung naiisip mo.
Ikaw, 5. Pass na.
Malayo.
Pass na, sige na. Ikaw, pass.
Wait lang, may sa'yo
Ha?
ako.
Mali. Improper. Malapit na yun eh. 5, 4,
Improper.
3,
Wait lang.
2, Inequal, mali. Ikaw.
Ano ito na? Wala ako. Wala lang ako ulit, G! Wala naman. Masalit ito.
Wait lang. Sige na. Tama na.
Bobo yan eh.
Louie, 5, 4, 3. Gagawin ikaw.
Improper inside. Improper inside.
Improper inside. Mali, oh. Next.
Inequality.
Mali. Next. Ulitin ko ha, makinig. Last na, makinig. Kelly, makinig. Makinig. Not even or balance in shape or arrangement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alam na ng mga babae ito. Oh, dito ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Circle.
In-circle letter E yun, hindi letter I. 5,
Okay, G.
4,
Samahan niyo ako.
3, 2, 1. Ikaw.
Insurance, yes.
5. Mangula. Kelly, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ikaw. Last kay.
Sa kanya.
Last kayo. 5, 4, 3,
Wala naman, last na
2.
Impact.
Mali. Ang tawag sagot ay irregular. Next. The beginning part of something that serves to lead in and present the main topic. 5,
Ano?
4, 3, 2,
Main topic?
1, 0. Mali, impression. Pass na agad. Ikaw, Divina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Pass daw, pass. Ikaw, Ash. Pass din. Ha? Tama, introduction. 200. Next. Makinig. A person or thing that influences another. Influencer. 200. Tama. Not able to occur, exist, or to be done.
Ako lang yan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Di alam.
Ako na naman.
Ikaw na naman. 5. Insecure, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2,
And to be done.
1, 0. And be done yun, and be done. Not able to occur, exist, and be done. Or be done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali. Not able to occur, exist, parang not exist, or to be done, or be done. Not able to occur, exist, or be done. 5, 4, 2, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ikaw, Kelly. Incomplete.
Ay, ko pala.
Ikaw. Hindi alam.
Endangered.
Hindi. Letter I yun, di letter E. Mali. Spelling. Mali.
Endangered ba yan?
Yan, may idea.
Hoy!
Kung may idea.
Pass din. Ikaw. Imagination mo lang yun, mali. Last na kay Bogs, ito ka. Bogs, Ano?
Sa akin.
Ay, sa kanya.
Ano sa'yo?
Sagot ako ng influencer.
Go.
Kami na naman.
Vandialab, ikaw.
Ako nung naman. I don't know.
Ang tama sagot ay impossible. An electronic folder in which emails received by an individual are held.
Image.
Mali. Next.
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, letter E yun, hindi letter I.
Yan naman yun.
Yeah, next. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot.
Instagram.
Mali. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sagot. Hindi alam.
iPhone.
4, 3, 2, 1. Mali. Next. 5. 5. Mag-guess kayo, baka makatama. 5, 4. Insight, mali. 5, 4, 3, 2. School. Let's in. 5. Pass na naman. Go. Pass din. Pass. 4. Pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ang tamang sagot ay box. In box, okay? It has a chemical formula of H2O and is found in many forms such as frost, snow, sleet, and hail. Go. Inhaler. Go. 5, 4, di alam.
Inhale.
5, di alam. Ice.
Candy daw.
Ice candy. Ano, ice candy? Ice candy? A genus of herbivorous lizards that are native to tropical areas of Mexico. 5, 4, 3. Insect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Malungkot na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, mag-guess na kayo ng animals. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam.
Alam ko na. Alam niya.
Oh, may ka.
Ako yan.
5, 4. Uy. 5, 4, 3. Ha? Iguana. Tama. Iguana. Yan. Narinig yung sagot. Oh. A structured conversation where one person asks question to gather information from another person. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Interact.
Mali. Pass na naman. Information, mali. Pass. Structured conversation where one person asks questions to gather information from one another person. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Interaction.
Mali, hindi.
Interpersonal communication.
5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, ikaw.
Influence.
Mali.
Alam ko.
Ay, ikaw.
Interview.
Tama. Interview.
What's your name?
Next. Okay. Madali lang to, makinig. A human child from birth to approximately 1 year of age or until they begin to walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mali. Hindi na. Ikaw. Alam mo namin sagot. Infant. Tama. Infant. 200. Next. A chemical element has symbol Fe. Iron. 200. Next. A small invertebrate animal with the body divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs attached to the thorax.
Ano siya?
5,
Sana ako sumagot niyan.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5. Ano, sagot na.
Okay.
Hindi na alam. Next. Insect. Ang ingay na. Naririnig eh. Yan, nasasagot tuloy ni Micah.
Galan nyo talaga, no? Sila ka talaga.
Ano ba yung tema mo?
Activity of gliding on ice using skates with metal blades attached to boots.
Ice skating. Tama, ice skating. 200.
skating. Oh. Okay, next. Ah, last two. Makinig, madali lang to, madali. Madali. A colored liquid or paste used for writing, drawing, and printing, composed of a color ant. A color ant, like a dye or pigment, dissolved in a vehicle or carrier such as water or oil. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, pass. Ink, tama, ink, guys. 200, okay. Next. A deep, dark blue to bluish purple color and the historical organic dye made from plants or synthesized chemically, best known for its use in dyeing denim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, mali. Next. 5, 4, 2, 1. Mali. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hindi alam. Nala. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi alam. Letter I. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Impact.
Ang bini.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Jet yun. Ano,
Ay, sana IC.
Isaac Newton.
Ikaw, Angel. 5, 4, wala.
Star.
Hindi alam.
Wala pang marinig sa kanya.
Okay, kanino last? Ay. Pass. Ikaw, last na sa'yo. 5.
Indigo.
Ha? Indigo, tama! 200, Bye-bye! Bye-bye!